This problem here, what we're looking to do is to complete this table, right? Fill in these slots right here so that this relation does not represent a function. So we know that a function takes one value, like 10, and sends it directly over to one and only one value, 7. Now, if 10 went to some other value, then it would not be a function. So we can do this immediately just by writing this. What if we put a 10 here? Then what we have is that 10 goes to 6, and it goes to 7, so this is not a function. So right away, we're done here, and we can fill in these other two slots with 10s if we like, or just any numbers at all. 1 goes to 4, 2 goes to 5, but 10 goes to 6 or 7, so it's ambiguous to where 10 goes, so this is not a function. Now, I did not have to use 10 here. What I could have used, could have done this. Let's just erase it and try this. What if we did this? What if I put, say, a 2 here, and a 2 here, and a 2 here? Then 2 goes to 4, 5, and 6. So 2 goes to more than one value, so again, it's not a function. There's lots of possibilities here. We could have done this too. What if we did 1, 2, and then, maybe an 11 or something, or even instead of 11, we did another 1. So in this case, 1 would go to 4, and 1 would go to 6. So lots of possibilities here. But what you want are 2 of the same numbers over here, and then you will get a non-function. Now in 14, this is a function. Here's a relation that does define a function because each one of these x's goes to only one y value, right? Look at -4 goes only to 7. Now it turns out that -2 goes to 7, but the function means that each input goes to only one output, and the -4 goes only to 7. -2 goes only to 7. 0 goes only to 7. 2 goes only to 8. 4 goes only to 9. So what we want here is we want to get the domain. So let's say that the domain here is going to be, I'll use the set notation. The domain, this is just the collection of input values. These values right here. So the domain is -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. And the range, these are the output values. So the range is going to be the collection of output values. So what do we have in the output? What numbers? We got 7. Now, even though it appears 3 times, I'm just going to write it once because it's just 7. 7 appears, 8 and 9. So we're going to have 7, 8, and 9.